Hi, it's BK Digital Healthcare Digest, and it's time for the hottest news from the industry. First of all, FDA approved saliva sample kit for coronavirus testing that can be used at home. Rutger's Clinical Genomics Laboratory gained emergency authorization for their test in April, but back then it was for prescription use only. A few days ago, they received approval for a home-collected device. Users put their saliva in the device, seal the package, and send it off back to the lab. More tests that can be used at home means increased testing volumes, less exposure for doctors, and preservation of protective equipment for patient care. FDA already authorized more than 80 tests and plan to add more options for self-testing at home. OMRON Healthcare invented a device that can detect wheezes in young children. The form of the device resembles an inhaler. It's light and portable. Parents or caretakers should hold it below a child's right collarbone for 30 seconds and wait until wheeze or no wheeze identification lights up. Listening technology is conveyed via HD quality microphone, a diaphragm of micron width materials, noise cancelling system, and an embedded computer. It's called WheezeScan, and with it people will be able to detect wheezes that usually precede asthma attacks, which are hard to recognize. The amount of anxiety that parents experience while waiting for the attack to happen reduces greatly, as you can imagine, and they're able to detect and address their suspicions in time. And news from the intersection of healthcare and finance. Insignia, a luxury lifestyle management group, launched a first-ever clean payment card. The card is layered with a metal coating that kills reportedly up to 99.9% of germs. The metal is silver, and studies proved it catalyzes the release of reactive oxygen species that can kill bacteria that are flying near the card. The invention was released in response to pandemic, and now the company encourages banks and financial institutions to consider that approach too. According to the VP of Lifestyle Boutique at Insignia, pre-existing bacteria can be found on 8% of credit cards and 6% of cash. So it's kind of time to address the issue of safety of payments. If you want to receive the hottest and most curious news from the digital healthcare industry, subscribe to our channel and have a wonderful week.